Over the last 2 years, Resemble has been used by more than 250,000 people to create AI-generated voices from bots to ads, fashion shows, and even an Emmy-nominated Netflix documentary called The Andy Warhol Diaries. Our users have crafted beautiful voiceovers in seconds, and we've come up with new ways to create content that sounds even more real. That's why we're proud to introduce arguably the most impactful feature for generative audio. We call it speech-to-speech. Let me show you what I mean. At the moment, you might be familiar with typing in a sentence and hitting the play button.
Hope that worked out. If not, you have a few options.
That sounds good, but my friend Liz wanted to say it slightly differently. Let's upload how she wanted to say it.
Hope that worked out. If not, you have a few options.
And let's generate this in Robert's voice.
Hope that worked out. If not, I have a few options. We can use this to create AI voiceovers that truly match human-like performances, including all of the, imperfections of human speech.
You can apply any voice skin to your voice.
Like an angry, aggressive voice that means business.
Or super friendly, like my colleague Tanya.
Or a whispering voice for when you want to be secretive.
Speech-to-speech works in real time, which means I can replace my voice with another while talking.
This is great for immersive applications that require fast speech generation. This works across all of Resemble.Ai's voices with stunning results in any voice imaginable.
This opens up all sorts of possibilities for gaming, film, advertisement, and narrations. Combine this with our other products such as Localize, which allows you to dub content in over a dozen languages, Resemble Fill, which allows you to do neural editing, and a low-latency API with streaming for instant results. To get started, head over to Resemble.Ai. We look forward to hearing what you create.